Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we would be looking at JASMY coin, or JASMY, currently at 152 with a market cap of about $179 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $18.96 million. And today we want to start the video with what we have been saying as regards the fake out right here for September. Remember, at the beginning of the month we said something. We said September historically has usually been a very negative month for the market, for the crypto market, right? As you can see, right down from 2013 to 2023, in the space of 10 years, we only had just 2 months which has been positive in September, and every other one has been negative. And it looks like we are going to close the month with a negative return right here in September. But as you can see, we always said October was the reverse, right? And we were always positive in October, except for 2 years. As you can see, just 2 years alone where which we were negative right down for the market, right? So that applies to Jasmy. As if we are looking at the Jasmy right here on the 4 hourly time frame. As you can see, we were above the 200 EMA. We were expecting price to push right here to the 0.0038 level, but looks like this is having a very hard time for Jasmy to hold at this level, and we probably could see one more push to the downside, right? Because if we look at the volume profile, as you can see, the volume profile forming huge bearish divergence. As you can see, more selling price action coming in, right? The bears are beginning to sell in, and we have printed the sell signal right here on the volume profile, which means we are forming hidden bearish divergence. As you can see, the same thing happened here. We lingered for a few days and we finally dropped, right? So the same thing is showing up right here. We could see that little drop right there for Jasmy, and even if we look at the other uh higher time frames, which is the daily time frame, as you can see, Jasmy right here on the daily time frame, we are sitting right there on the top of the Dosian channel on the daily time frame. But if we look at some of our indicators, we are forming huge bearish divergence. As you can see right here, the MACD is still bullish, right? Which means we are bullish, but as you can see, forming huge bearish divergence for Jasmy, right? Huge bearish divergence right here, as you can see on the RSI right here. So the RSI forming huge bearish divergence. As you can see, this is what we call a bearish divergence right here on the RSI for Jasmy. Also, if we also look at other indicators such as the stochastic, right? The stochastic also at the top, and we probably should still be expecting some sort of a push to the downside. As you can see, the stochastic is at the close to the oversold level, so we could see one last push to the downside for Jasmy. But always remember, right, that this is a fake out. Like we always said, September is always the month where we see negative returns, and we usually recover that and even more in October, right? So do not get faked out of your positions, as we are still very bullish right here on Jasmy, right? So that's the analysis for Jasmy. If you like the channel, please do not forget to like, click subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.